Imagine a world where you couldn't buy a tiny slice of a big idea. No shares, no tickers, no what's the market doing today. That world existed until people invented the stock market. Let's speed run the origin story. In medieval Europe, merchants needed cash to fund risky voyages. Bruges, Antwerp, bourses where traders swapped currencies and IOUs. It wasn't stocks yet, but it planted the seed, a central place for finance. 1602, Amsterdam. The Dutch East India Company, VOC, issues public shares, tradable pieces of the business. The Amsterdam Stock Exchange, the first official exchange. Suddenly risk could be sliced, sold, shared. One voyage's danger became a portfolio's opportunity. With shares came stories, big ones. 1630s, tulip mania. Prices soared, fortunes flipped, the bubble popped, markets run on math and emotion. Across the channel, London, coffee houses buzzed with tips and trades. 1801, London Stock Exchange official. 1720, South Sea bubble exploded. Another warning, hype is not value. Meanwhile, New York, 1792. Under a buttonwood tree, brokers signed the Buttonwood Agreement. That grew into the New York Stock Exchange, tree shade, trading floor, server racks. Why did stocks win? 3 reasons: capital, ships, railroads, software, liquidity. Investors could get in and out fast. Price discovery, a crowd of buyers and sellers finds a fair price, eventually. Then came upgrades. Tickers clacked in the 1860s. SEC regulation after the 1930s crash. Index funds in the 1970s, making diversification simple. Electronic trading in the 1990s and beyond. Milliseconds matter. And today, algorithms, apps, global markets that never really sleep. But the core idea hasn't changed since 1602. Share the risk, share the reward, and let transparent markets decide what a dream is worth. Here's my simple mental model. A stock market is a giant story engine. Every ticker is a chapter. Some are classics, some are flops, and a few rewrite the whole genre. Read carefully, think independently. Remember, price is a number. Value is a narrative backed by facts. From bourses, to buttons, to bytes. That's how the stock market was invented.